Hello students, in the last lectures we had discussed about the theory of physical quantities and measurements. In lecture number 1, 2 and 3 we had discussed about all the theories of physical quantities and measurement. In this lecture we will discuss all the exercises related to this chapter. Okay, before we start, please remember one thing: you have to write each and everything in your copy. Means filling the blanks, true, false, match the following, short answer, answer in detail, each and everything you have to write in your copy. Please make one interleaf copy for physics and write down each and everything in your copy. Seriously. After writing, please learn all the question answer. Okay, so we shall start from the filling the blanks. Please listen carefully. Question number first. The amount of surface covered by a closed shape is called its dash. Its surface area. Second, the SI unit of volume is dash. The SI unit of volume is meter cube. Third, the space occupied by an object is called its volume. The space occupied by an object is called its volume. Fourth, the volume of irregular solid can be measured by using displacement method. Okay, answer is displacement method. The volume of regular objects can be determined by the formula, but the volume of irregular solid can be measured by using displacement method. Last, speed can be defined as the ratio of change of distance with time. Speed equals to distance upon time. So speed can be defined as the ratio of change of distance with time. So these are the answers of filling the blanks. Next, true and false. State whether the following statement are true or false. All the answers written in front of the question. Okay. So first one, the SI unit of area hectare. False. The SI unit of area is meter square. Okay, so this is the false statement. For equal volume, measures of different substance is differ. Yeah, this is the true. For equal volume, measures of different substance differ because it is also dependent upon mass. Third, 1 meter cube is equal to 1000 decimeter cube. This is the conversion and statement is true. Fourth one, when the body is in motion, it does not change its position with respect to time. False. When a body in motion, definitely it will change its position with respect to time. So this is the false statement. Fifth, the density of water is 1 gram centimeter per minus 3. This is the true statement. The density of water 1000 kg per meter cube or 1 gram per centimeter cube. So these are the answers of true and false. Next, choose the correct option. Here question is written and after that there are 4 options and only one option is correct. You have to choose correct option. Okay, so we shall start from the first question. The first question is the correct relation for density. So answer is density is equal to mass upon volume. Question number second, a car travels for 2 hours at a constant speed 60 km per hour. The distance traveled by the car is, time is 2 hours and speed is 60. So we'll find distance is equal to speed into time, 60 into 20. 60 into 2, you will get 120. So this is the answer. 120 km will be the final answer. A car travel 2 hours at a constant speed of 60 km per hour. The distance is equal to speed into time, 60 into 2, 120 km. Okay. Third one, which of the following is a unit of area? Unit of area is hectare. Option number A is the right answer. 1 liter is equal to 1000 centimeter cube. Option number B is the right answer. Okay. Next, a block of length 20 centimeter and breadth 5 centimeter is kept on the table. Its area. Length is given 20 and breadth is given 5. Okay, so 20 into 5 is equal to 100 centimeter square. 100 centimeter square will be answer. 20 centimeter length, 5 centimeter breadth, so area will be 100 centimeter square. Okay, so these are the answers of choose the correct option. Now we shall proceed on the next question. Match the column. So here all the answers written in front of the question, means these are the questions and left side A, B, C, D, and these are the answers. Okay, please learn it in the same way. Okay, so we shall start from the question number first. Area of irregular surface. Area of irregular surface can be determined by using graph paper. Volume of irregular solid can be determined by displacement method. Volume of liquid, measuring cylinder. Volume of liquid can be determined by measuring cylinder. SI unit of speed, meter per second. SI unit of volume, meter cube. So these are the answer. Area of irregular surface, graph paper. Volume of irregular solid, displacement method. Volume of liquid, measuring cylinder. SI unit of speed, meter per second. SI unit of volume, meter cube. Okay, next, give reason for the following statement. Give reason for the following statement. So we shall start from the question number first. A heavier body of same volume has higher density because it has more mass, thus it is denser. Okay, so density is also dependent upon mass. So the body has more mass, it has more density. Okay, question number second. The density of iron is more than that of cotton. The density of iron more than that of cotton. Reason: because iron is a rigid solid and its molecules are closely packed, so it has more density in comparison to cotton. Third, graph paper is used for measuring the area of an irregular object. Question number third. Graph paper is used for measuring the area of an irregular object because there is no formula for calculating the area of an irregular object. So its outline must be traced on a graph paper and the number of boxes must be counted to calculate its area. So by using graph paper we can calculate area of irregular object. Okay, next, displacement method is used for measuring the volume of an irregular solid. Since there is no formula for calculating the volume of an irregular solid, therefore it must be dipped inside a liquid and the displacement amount of liquid should be measured to calculate the volume. Okay, and the last one, a bus covers 20 km in 1 hour and a car covers 50 km in 2 hours. The car is faster. Give it the reason is the speed of bus is 20 km per hour and the speed of car is 25 km per hour. By using the formula we can calculate the speed 50 upon 2, that is 25. So we can say the speed of bus 20 km per hour and the speed of car is 25 km per hour, hence the car is faster. So these are the answers of give reason. Next, answer in short. What is the capacity of container? It is the amount that the container can hold. Definition of capacity: it is the amount that a container can hold. Second, what is density? State its SI unit. The density of a substance is defined as the mass per unit volume. Its SI unit is kg per meter cube. The density of a substance is defined as the mass per unit volume and its SI unit kg per meter cube. Question number third. What is area? State its SI unit. The total space occupied by a two-dimensional object is called its area. The total space occupied by a two-dimensional object is called its area. In other words, area is the surface enclosed within a boundary of two-dimensional object. Its SI unit is meter square. SI unit of area is meter square. Question number 4. Define speed. Explain how distance is related with the time, means distance speed formula. The total distance covered by an object per unit time is called its speed. Speed is equal to distance upon time. Okay. Explain the following terms. Area. The total space occupied by a two-dimensional object is called its area. In other words, area is the surface enclosed within a boundary of two-dimensional object, which we had already discussed in short answer. So please learn it. Volume. The amount of space occupied by a three-dimensional object. Area is considered for two-dimensional object and amount is for three-dimensional object. Capacity. It is the amount that a container can hold. Speed. The total distance covered by an object per unit time. Density. The density of a substance is defined as the mass per unit volume. So these are the answers of explain the following terms.